Live each day and then it's gone. Oh, it's left behind but saved in song. Spend your time, then watch it fly. And when it's gone, you'll just wave goodbye and be gone along the road. Don't you think of where to go. Stop and look around and notice all she's got to show as you move out on the road. Seemed just like some time before you came along and shut that door. Darkness followed close behind. Oh, I settled down to ease my mind. Velvet cuddled nighttime meant to rest our weary heads. I'm talking to the fire flame and then chase her off to bed. Leave tomorrow to the road. Back to hills of green, oh, to kinder days that might have been. Friends who came and they passed the time, finding peace and joy in rhyme, and then gone along the road with no reason but to run. Passing through the rain clouds and then reaching for the sun as we move out on the road. My friends, they're getting old. I watch their bodies change. Oh, they see the same in me. Here's what's up inside. No matter how they tell ourselves, it's what we all go through. The lines are pretty or hard to take when they're staring back at you. Yeah, we're scared to run out of time. Do that, do that. Doodly bop, doodly bop. Keep up, red sheep, I look for when the moon is shining on that mountain top. Hear the coyotes calling, and they never stop. But if you want to dance and swing, you better bring some cabbage along. The crazy looker and the king, everybody jumping down the pond. Get the chords, man. Stay on the mountain top. Oh yeah, baby, never stop. If you wanna dance and sing,
bring some cabins along. Filthy liquor is the thing. Everybody jumping down the wall.
And by the railroad track, better get your baggage packed. Jumping on the driving train. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs. We're riding like a buckaroo, playing tennis, swimming too. Jumping on the driving train. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs.
Everybody jumping down.
Hey, when the moon is shining on that mountain top, when you hear the coyotes calling, man, they never stop. If you want a jive song, better bring some cabbage along. Filthy liquor is that's the thing. Everybody's jumping down to Palm Springs. Play the chorus there. See. Here we go.
Yeah, it's kind of a one-person fish there on the flat rocks. It's a beautiful spot. You know, there's a place there that just is a perfect cast.
Yeah.
What is on there? So, Greg, are we going to photo the fish to cut through? Close up, come on in.
Let me get back to one. There we go.
Get that cutthroat in there.
Oh yeah.
Little guy, come on. Thank you for that. You're my pal today.
Farewell, fella.
Well, I beat the jinx.
Okay, hold on. I got it zoomed in, but let me hold it up for a second. Awesome. Now, here, let me get a photo now.
I ate so many hot dogs in New York, couldn't look a cold dog in the face. Hot dogs up in old New York, couldn't look a cold dog in the face.
Big
Some with
pliers on
chili
that cheese.
and onions,
Highly recommended.
Some with tomato paste. Cruising on down to New Orleans.
Trying to salvage something. But the grater's right there.
Down in old New
Not something I expected.
Ate a lot of chicken down there. Had me a chicken feather sport coat.
The nose hairs too. I noticed, Ken, you got a good long hair on the end of your nose. You could probably do something about that.
Tuesday chicken wing, Wednesday chicken fricassee, and Thursday chicken a la king. Friday barbecue chicken, Saturday chicken stew, Sunday morning scrambled eggs, and that is chicken too. Ate
Don't put those in there.
Separate.
No, that's the steak free.
But see, it's not even doing anything here in the corner. It's just
I got a great memory.
Don't start thinking about it.
all right.
just
We spend enough time here in the
Focus on
woods.
this.
Yeah, you know, guys.
I think.
The gist of
Go
it.
ahead.
Were you thinking?
I was thinking
Don't
that.
do that. I hear it hurts the first time.
Oh, but let's just say
Why
that.
don't we just quit this shit and just do the man's
Let's
prayer?
do the man's
Okay,
prayer.
that sounds good. Come on.
I'm a man. I can change.
If
I
I
have
have to, I
guess.
guess. Perfect.
Okay, boys. Well, here we are in the final day of our trip, and I think it's time that we recite the man's prayer.
Sounds good to me.
I'm
I'm a man.
I
I
can
can tell
change.
this is not going to work.
No, it was too,
I was-
it's too interesting, Bill. We got
No,
sidetracked.
I was waiting for Ken to do 1, 2, 3.